So we need to find all matrices which satisfy the matrix equation below. And obviously we need to solve it using matrices multiplication. So what we will do now, we will multiply these two matrices and then we will multiply these two matrices. Let's see how we do it. So we start by multiplying matrices on the left side of our equation. Let's review. So to find, for example, the first element of this matrix, we need to find the dot product of the first row and the first column. So that would be equal A plus B. To find the next element, we need to find the dot product of the first row and the second column. So this would be equal to A minus B. To find next element, we need to find the dot product of the second row and first column, so it's C plus D. And here we need to find the dot product of the second row and second column, so it's C minus D. Well, let's do the same thing with the right side of our equation. Here we will have A plus C, here we will have B plus D, A minus C, and B minus D. Great. Now we need to compare the corresponding coefficients. For example, because these two matrices need to be equal, so each of their elements need to be equal. For example, element A plus B should be equal to A plus C. Let's write it down. So A plus B needs to be equal to A plus C. Then A minus B needs to be equal to B plus D. A minus B is equal to B plus D. Then C plus D needs to be equal to A minus C. So C plus D is equal to A minus C. And finally, C minus D is equal to B minus D. C minus D is equal to B minus D. So now we need to solve this system of equations. So basically from the first one we will get that B needs to be equal to C. In the next one we understand that A is equal to 2B plus D. From the third one we get that A is equal to 2C plus D, and finally from the last one we get that C is equal to B. So we see that equation 1 and equation 4 are the same, as well as equation 2 and equation 3 are the same because we know that B is equal to C. So let's rewrite our matrix which we need to find. We need to find matrix A, B, C, D. Let's rewrite it using these expressions. So A is equal to 2B plus D. B is equal to B. C is equal to B. And D is equal to D. So let's rewrite this matrix as 2B, B, B, and 0. And now we will add another matrix to it. So we will add D, 0, 0, and D. Again, we can rewrite this sum of matrices as B times 2, 1, 1, 0 plus D times 1, 0, 0, 1. So the answer to our question would be all matrices of the form A, B, C, D is equal to B times 2, 1, 1, 0 plus D times 1, 0, 0, 1.